Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the our second chapter, that is people as a resources. In this chapter we discuss the an effect to explain the population and a asset for economy rather than liabilities. मीन्स इस चैप्टर में हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे या हम डिस्कस करेंगे कैसे पॉपुलेशन हमारी एसेट में रहती है नाइदर देन लाइबिलिटीज़. सो पॉपुलेशन बिकम ह्यूमन कैपिटल व्हेन देयर इज इन्वेस्टमेंट मेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एजुकेशन, training, and medical care. In fact, human capital is the stock of the skill and productivity knowledge embodied in them. मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं पॉपुलेशन हमारी ह्यूमन कैपिटल कन्वर्ट हो सकती है अगर हम उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करते इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एजुकेशन, ट्रेनिंग एंड मेडिकल केयर. सो द पीपल एज अ रिसोर्सेज रिफर्ड एज अ कंट्री वर्किंग पीपल इन द टर्म्स ऑफ देयर एग्जैक्टिंग प्रोडक्टिव स्किल एंड एबिलिटी. So, exacting human resources is further developed by becoming more educated, healthy in the terms of human capital formations. The people as a resources is a way of referring country working people in the terms of exacting productivity skill and ability. उनकी जो एग्जैक्टिंग प्रोडक्टिविटी स्किल क्या है और उनकी एबिलिटी क्या है. लुकिंग एट द पॉपुलेशन प्रोडक्टिविटी एक्सपर्ट्स enhances its ability to contribute creation of gross national product. मीन्स ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट में हम क्या कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं और जीडीपी में हम कितना कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. मीन्स जीडीपी इंक्लूड द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस विद इन अ कंट्री ड्यूरिंग अ पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सो लाइक रिसोर्सेज पॉपुलेशन is also a resources. Means like other resources, population is also a resources. We talk about it is called the human resources. And when we see the positive side of large population is often overlooked when we look only the negative side. Considering only the problem of providing the population with food, education, access to health facilities, when exacting human resources is further developed by becoming more educated and healthy. अगर हम क्या कहते हैं नेगेटिव साइड्स को देखें उनके पॉपुलेशंस के, अगर हम पॉजिटिव साइड्स को भी देखते हैं, अगर पॉपुलेशंस को अगर हम उसमें एजुकेशंस और हेल्थी जैसे पॉइंट्स को इंक्लूड करते हैं या इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, by develop by becoming more educated and healthy, we can call human capital formation that is add to the productive power of the country just like fiscal capital formation. So human capital, in this investment in human capital in the terms of education, training, medical care, it give great returns just like investment in fiscal capital. This can be happen directly in the form of higher income earned because the higher productivity of the people educated or better trained person as well as higher productivity of healthy people. So not only do the more educated persons healthier begin through the higher income, society also gain in the indirect way because of advantage of the more educated and healthy populations. In fact, human capital is one of the superior to the other resources like land and physical capital because human resources can make the use of land and capital, and land and capital cannot become useful for its own. Thank you.